How to download and install WinRAR on Windows 11 2024. First, open your web browser and head over to the official WinRAR website. Just type in winrar.com or search WinRAR download in your browser. Once you're on the website, you'll see a big Download WinRAR button. This is the safe and official place to download the software. Now, click on the Download WinRAR button, and it should automatically start downloading the installer file for Windows 11. Depending on your internet speed, the download should only take a few seconds. The file will be around 3 MB, so it's quick and easy. Once the download is complete, navigate to your Downloads folder and double-click the WinRAR installer file. This will open the installation wizard. Just follow the prompts to install WinRAR on your system. Click Install, then OK, and finally done. WinRAR will now be installed on your computer. Once WinRAR is installed, you can open it by searching for WinRAR in the Start menu. WinRAR is now ready to use. You can easily compress files, extract archives, and even set it as the default app for RAR or zip files. Just right-click on any file and select Add to Archive or Extract here to start using it. And that's it. You've successfully downloaded and installed WinRAR on your Windows 11 computer. If you found this video helpful, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more tech tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.